Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow,
Thanks for following me, guys. Let's see where the cat goes today. Hi guys, it's Cat from Where the Cat Goes, and today we're out here. What do you think that is? A barn? A house? I don't know what that is. But we're gonna find out. The old fence. It's been rolled down. What is that? Big circle here. Oh wow, I just seen that. We got another building over there. If you're interested, a little crooked, but probably still used. Yeah, like the sun's gonna be coming down too before too long. Look, there was the pen, something small, maybe pigs. The pen was there. And they went around them into the barn. Oh, look at that old light. That still has a light bulb in it. Top of the granary. Must have had something over here, some kind of critter. Something small though, because we're gonna keep cows and something like that, or horses. Ah, at those. That is a huge light. Big hay door. Oh yeah, there's more fence. Look here. Oh, those spokes. I wonder if those were tires. I bet those were, because that looks like the middle of a wooden spoke tire. I wouldn't be surprised if that's what that was. Chickens. Chicken wire. Some farming implements down there. Well, let's go see what we got left in here to look at. Ooh, that door is like caving in from the middle. That's questionable. Ouch, I just got whacked in the face by a tree. Mad at me apparently. I'm not sure I can open this door. Oh yeah. Another bed in there. Hey, there's the door down there. Let's open this so we can get in that one. Trough. Part of a wood fence that was here at one point. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's snowmobile because there's the top part right there. Yeah. I don't look like I can get a date off of that either. Oh, that's a refrigerator. I'm pretty sure. The treehouse, get it? Oh yeah, look at that old refrigerator. Look at that. These refrigerators are made with wood pieces inside of it. with the freezer box. It's like every step I go one step on top and then I go down. And I go on top and then I go down. Looks like somebody's got a treehouse over there. But I don't think that's on this property. Oh, there's some right there. I wish I could walk without falling through the snow. Oh my goodness. It's a farming implement. Look at that. It's a little ways down. It's some kind of farming machine thing. Kind of looks like somewhere back there, but I'm not even going to try it. Maybe if it was the summertime, I could just walk. Oh, look at that. Look at tool box thing. That would have been on top of it. On top of that. There's even a drawer in that. And then there were these. Oh, looks like I interrupted another critter's home. Almost. Gotta put it back up now. There, another critter can have its home back. I wonder if I can walk up here, it might be easier to get back around. Oh, so this must have been a pig farm. Oh my gosh. This here's rabbit tracks. Down there. Look at that, there's a, I don't know if that's a stove or something completely buried under the tree. There's the pig barn. Huh. Oh, look at the little chair.
Then they went up, and this one's still got the belt in it.
Oh shit, there's...
See that?
How far down does it go?
Well, that's only a couple feet down.
Okay.
But, see little buckets in there? This is what the other one had too. The buckets went like this. They went down and they came up like this.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and that's how they got the grain up there. See the big... Look straight up there.
This way they were coming down.
You're looking at a belt. It's on a great big flywheel. And they must have had some kind of electric motor. Because obviously there's not hydroelectric here. No river or water either. It's just like this.
Oh, they are right by a river.
This is what's so freaking awesome.
Holy cow.
Look at this.
It's the cook stove.
I know. Here's where you put the wood in.
Oh man.
This was a really fancy one. It had a crank for the grates right here.
Awesome.
The grates are still in it. There's the ash box. There's a couple burners that you could take off and put on.
Yeah.
You could cook on
But this is how it went up. It even had stuff in it still.
Check this out. This is just wild.
Huh.
This is hot water tank.
No way.
Yeah, this way. Look at it. And then the tanks, you could slide it up, slide it out to fill it up. And you always had a reservoir of hot water. It's too bad the damn thing is burnt out on the bottom.
Shoot. I think that'd be worth fixing up. Oh, look at the old shovel. See the hole. Cool.
General Electric.
Yeah.
What the hell is that? It looks like a bolt for a door, but
Maybe it was a lock or something for the stove. I bet it had something to do with the stove.
you think so?
What else would it be for?
I don't know. But the stove wasn't electric.
Oh.
No. This is nothing.
You don't think there was pigs here? What do you think it was? It was an animal thing. There's something small that was kept in. This looks like something like pig barn stuff. There's like pig stuff at the farm when they have to run them through. I mean, at the fair, where they run them through. What is it?
You wouldn't have had to have top veal. There is veal cattle, so they wouldn't move.
Oh, it was veal? I knew by the
They
fencing.
weren't shackled, but they were in the cages, so they couldn't move.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look, there's the feeders and feeder and water trough.
Yeah.
This is a veal farm.
Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. They would do 4 veal cattle.
Well,
It was in the dark. They always kept the veal cattle.
I thought veal was lamb.
It's milk-fed calf.
Make sure it's not
All
milk-fed
it
lamb.
needed was milk.
Bottle, see? They would put the needle through the top there in the rubber part. And a lamp.
Well, this is ancient. This was made before they closed up shop.
I wonder what that was for.
Well, this can move and turn, and it can go up and down. And this can telescope from this to do. This telescopes 2 times.
What's that thing hanging on the nail? Right there.
Yeah, look up here. Just like the other granary, they have chutes for grain to go to every room. All you had to do was flip open a deal and it would. But the thing was, they weren't using this as a granary anymore. They were doing this.
It'd be like one big. I suppose they still wouldn't do that because it wouldn't be enough room for them to turn around.
Those are chutes for the grain to come down those areas. So that they could load the truck right there. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Right here too.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Fill the carts
They
in the
just
truck,
open the
whatever
door
they
and load it up. The water thingy. This thing is the coolest.
So there's another one of those things that was hanging on the wall. See? I don't know what the hell it is, Kat, but there's another one.
Huh. Is it for animals, maybe?
I haven't a clue.
This is so cool. There used to be a thing for these so they could stick in a little metal piece right here and hook it. And it must have been right here originally. So then they would hook it and pull it open to cook on it. See? That's so neat. Look at that skull, guys. I'm gonna have to figure out what that is. I'm not really sure what that one is. It's about the size of my fox. That. It's some sharp teeth, whatever it was. I've figured out. It's similar to the fox, but not exactly the same. It's a longer face. Huh, interesting. Cool. We would put feed in there. And the other one would have been for water. I'm pretty sure this had been for the animal.
Imagine how hot this the shed would be.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are metal buckets and they're sliding up against the wood with grain in between.
Yeah.
Friction and friction and friction.
Oh, yeah.
And friction. And then the dust. The dust is so fine, they blow up.
That's crazy.
They have elevators moving all the time. I can't explain, imagine why. Because there's no chutes coming down to fill it in here either. A lot of open air space. Back out in the wind, honey.